Hey, good afternoon viewers, and greetings once again from the workshop. That's the beast in question. That's the 1979 Kawasaki KZ1000 MK2 A3A. Just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? So lots of progress, some of it visible, some not so much, so I'll walk you around it. We'll start with the pink rag right there, and some exciting news. With the help of a very good friend, we now have the middle piece of the block with the cam rollers in, cam chain, tensioner, new gasket, wiring, just waiting for the starter motor and the sub lead there. This is all buttoned up, so that's obviously your gear shift, cable running underneath the side. Hello, clutch cable, new clip, and just waiting to bits to come back from chrome, which is why that's just poking up in the air. If we move further back down the bike, you can see that the chain is in. That's now tensioned and torqued. Same with the rear wheel. Finally got those pesky spacers that have been waiting for months. Right down in there. If that'll focus. There we go. That's the rear wheel spacer that was missing. That's the tensioner. Everything else is looking good. Obviously the big addition is a Mark II seat. Woohoo! Pretty fancy. If we come around this side, brakes are now in. Apologies for the lighting, not so great. Brake lines are in the back, so you can see here, brake line coming down, new OEM dampers. Finally got the bolts in to mount the rear master cylinder, so essentially that's complete and just waiting to be bled. Exciting that we got kickstart in, and the rear brake is just in as a test fit. So generally speaking, lots of stuff has been going on, so just testing that make everything that works. There is a little bracket that's missing right here that we're going to add after this is all done. It's, again, just a test fit. What else? Oh yes, and on top, we were given the original units for this and sourced the original NGK ends, so those are the correct plug ends, already gapped and ready to go, so just waiting for bits to show up, as I say, back from chrome. So things like the little collar that goes around here, the dress ring cap, these are already done, stuff like that. Lots of chromey bits waiting to get installed on the engine, but there's been quite a bit of progress this week. I think you'll agree. It is looking rather smart, I have to say. And I think another 10 days and we should have everything back from powder coating and chrome. And at that point, I can start taking care of all of the wiring up front, handlebars, controls and everything else back on, and getting around to installing those bits down there, which is all new stuff waiting to go on the bike. Well, that's it. As the rain picks up, we're signing off for another week. Catch you next time. Stay safe, be healthy, and most of all, make each other laugh, because life is short and it should be fun. See ya!